Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the short hair prank using the Face apps. So if you want to prank the people close to you by changing your hairstyle short, for example, you got a long hair but you want to make them believe that you've already cut your hair short, you can just use this Face app. So first you can download the app on the Play Store or App Store if you are an iOS user. Here you can just click on the search bar and find Face app. Hit on enter. Okay, this one, Face app, perfect face editor. So just hit on install and then just wait until the app installed on your phone. So after it has been downloaded, now the app will be installing, and just wait again until it's successfully installed. Okay, after it finished, just hit on open, and this is the Face app. You can just tap on continue and then click on accept all, tap on next again, and then here if you want to, you can also buy the apps or subscribe to the apps. And here I'm going to just go to the gallery and find for my selfies in here. Okay, for example, I'm going to use these photos right here. You can tap on agree, and now this is the photo. Now you can just go to the hairstyles options, and here you can see there are lots of options that you can do, but most of them are pro, so you need to subscribe to the Face app first before you can use it. So I'm going to just use this bob cut option to make the short hair prank. So click on that and it will processing the photo. You can see this is the original photo and this is the Face app. You can just tap on save, and now after that you can share this photos with your friends, your families, and prank them with the short hair prank. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like. If you have any question, you can leave a comment down below, and also if you want to support us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also you can also hit on the thanks button below. So I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.